Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Lainey. Today we're filming another kind of roast video because I've kind of said this on the internet a couple times now. Since being pregnant, I've completely lost my filter. I don't know what happened. I think I just realized, having other people have opinions about me being pregnant, I couldn't care less what anyone else says. And it's so freeing to hear different opinions and just be like, that is not my opinion. I think we all need to learn about not taking anything, not only I say to heart, but anybody else says to heart. Okay, but today we're doing a video where if you think anything is timeless, watch this video and be proven wrong. Do what you will with it. I just kind of want to talk about this because I think it's fun and funny. Before we get any further into this video though, I want to say thank you so much to Caseify for sponsoring this video, and we'll talk about it a little bit later. Okay, so kind of what I want to do is talk about trends that are happening right now and how there are equivalents that have happened before. This is kind of the idea. I talked about it in a TikTok when I was talking about how nothing is trending, because literally everything is trending right now, that like in the past 5 years we've worn everything. I was like, comment down below if you think like something's not trending right now, and a version of that is happening like right now. So I basically just took those comments of things people said were like not trendy, like galaxy print or sneaker wedges or chevron, whatever. Just things people like are so positive or so out of style. And like, they're not wrong. Those certain things are, to a sense. There's equivalents happening right now. That's all I want to talk about. So the first thing are sneaker wedges. We all remember these. I never had them because they felt like something that like moms or older kids were wearing when they were trending back in like 2005. 10. I don't really remember. Not 10. Probably like 5. I always thought they were a little weird looking, but I still wanted them. And I think what we're gonna look at, the way we look at sneaker wedges, are all the platform sneakers. I know this is such a hard pill to swallow. It's really hard to think that something you love so much right now, you're ever gonna look at and be like, why did I wear that? But for me, it happens like just last week I wore something where I'm like, what the heck was I thinking? So it's just having an open mind and kind of realizing things before you're there. Yeah, people will go to their grave with their platform sneakers and platform shoes. And I don't mean it as much as platform shoes as platform sneakers. Like, the way they have taken over in every shoe is comes in a platform sneaker now. If you like them, again, I don't care. I don't hate them. I just don't want them. And to me, they're the same as this wedge. Wow, we started off with a roast. Next thing people were saying is the galaxy print. I think the rendition of this was definitely the cow print on everything. We've already like gotten away from that. I think it was really big like 2020 quarantine where everything came in a cow print, and you had cow print dresses and furniture, and it was like to the next level. Like, it passed the galaxy print to me. Again, it's just like such a print of its time, and that's what it feels like to me. I mean, cow print is definitely not as bad as galaxy print. There's no way. I don't know, like suede cow print though, like a realistic cow, like the cowhide rugs. Not that I like those, but like those feel different. Like when it's just like painted blobs on a white background, that's what I'm talking about. Next, the statement necklaces we all used to wear, just wearing them with a plain t-shirt like this, and whether it was like teal stones or coral colors or the like coin necklace that everybody and their mother had like in 2012, 2015. I don't really know. That time is such a blur. I'm literally wearing one. I think the equivalent would be the big pendant necklaces. The thing about like that kind of jewelry and hopping on that trend is that it's pretty inexpensive. I mean, I got this pendant, I thrifted it for like 99 cents, I'm pretty sure. It's not the prettiest on this side. It's a little locket, but it's just like plastic. It's a piece of crap. And if you want to participate in this kind of trend, like, so be it. Do I think it's going to live in my closet forever? Absolutely not. It is going to be the same thing as the statement necklace. Next thing, infinity scarves. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if somebody pulls them out this season, especially with like TikTok. I feel like people just try to be not like outrageous, but like the first ones to hop on certain trends. So we bring back things that like aren't really needed, especially because the giant thick scarves are so trendy the past couple seasons, and I'm gonna be wearing mine again 100%. But again, I feel like it's the same feel as the infinity scarf. At least the thick scarves, like, you know, the Acne Studios one, I have like the knockoff, that plaid, like, it's not wool, I don't know what material it is, those big scarves. They keep you so warm, and I'm really only wearing it outside. Not like the infinity scarf or the skinny scarf where you'd wear it with like a t-shirt, and it just made no sense. I was talking about that with Izzy, my friend, and how in high school we used to wear like a crew neck leggings and then our infinity scarf and thought it was the fit of a lifetime. It was. Next thing are flower crowns. These have been out for a while now, but again, it feels like that thing that somebody's going to start wearing on TikTok and everyone's going to be like, oh my god, you were the first to do this again. I don't know, do you guys get that feeling? I'm such a hater now, I'm sorry. But I think the equivalent to this are the puff headbands. I think the puff headbands are a little bit more timeless, but still aren't timeless. They're obviously going to be trending and go out of style. They've been trending for a while now, and honestly, like, I don't even think they were like trending last year. They were kind of falling out of style already, and last year was when I first started wearing it. And I really like them. I think they're cute. They're super preppy looking. I'm into that right now. Again, super inexpensive. I think I got mine first from CVS for under $10. Accessories are always easy to dabble in because it's not like an investment or a commitment, or if you find things thrifted, obviously. So there's that. But, like, I just can't imagine not looking back at the puff headband and being like, what were you thinking? Like, that looks so stupid. Like, I know I'm going to think that in a few years, but I like it too much right now to care. I don't care about future Lainey and her opinions. A lot of people were talking about the business casual looks we would wear in, like, 2012. You guys, I'm so bad with my years, but, like, I'm trying to imagine things based on high school and when I wore them. They were probably trending, you know, way before that. But just, like, the gossip girl kind of aesthetic, and everyone was dressing like business casual. It was super weird. Equivalent of that are the blazers, wearing your blazer out to the club, wearing a full-on like suit set. I'm guilty of this. Like, it's literally like a zoot suit. I just can imagine looking back and being like, why did we pair a blazer with everything? And especially like a super oversized blazer is a lot less like timeless than a fitted one for like a business or like dress up kind of look. But pairing the blazer over like sweatpants and sweatshirt, it just feels funny and silly. Yeah. Am I still gonna do it? Sure. Next one was ombre. So many people were talking about ombre and how that was a trend. I don't know anything about hair trends, but ombre hair was like really big, and that's just so funny to me. But I mean, like, you know, getting a shirt and like the bottom was dark blue and the top was white and it ombra'd up to it. And the equivalent of that, which is such an equivalent, is like the aura kind of colors. I literally, oh my god, what a perfect segment. I have it right here. This one's from Caseify. So let's go into the Caseify sponsorship real quick. Caseify has some really exciting upgrades to their Caseify cases. Their newest protection technology is called EcoShock. It's embedded in the iPhone 14 impact cases to protect your phone from everyday use and beyond. This has 20% increased protection from their old design. They also have managed to keep it slim so it can still fit in your back pocket and easily in your hands. The EcoShock cases are drop tested approved for, get this, 11.5 feet. Like, I don't know when you're ever going to drop it at that height or any higher. The iPhone cases are actually 5 times the military standard now, dropping them 130 times to make sure the EcoTech technology does not wear off. Caseify has managed to maintain protection while optimizing sleekness in the phone cases. The iPhone 14 cases are made of 65% plant-based and recycled material. They're also partially made from upcycled phone cases as part of the Caseify program, giving a new life to post-consumer waste. You guys already know Caseify has an endless selection of customized and cases where they partner with artists. Caseify's phone cases are mag-safe and compatible with your favorite accessories. Caseify also offers ways to even further protect your phone with a camera lens protector, screen protector, or a phone strap with a card for more carefully curated protection and convenience. Whether you're looking to upgrade your iPhone or not, you can go to Caseify.com for their latest iPhone 14 impact cases, as well as their cases for iPhone 13 and earlier devices. Go to Caseify.com/Lainey to get 15% off your order. You guys already know. You won't regret it. Check them out. Thanks again, Caseify. Okay, but the Aura, like, I would so have the same rendition of this phone case. There's a fly in here. Get out, get out, get out. I would so have this kind of phone case, but with ombre, you know, like 10 years ago. Same exact thing. I think we're gonna look at the Aura print the same way as the ombre. Like, it's literally the same. This is basically ombre just into different colors, not from dark to light. But the fun thing about phone cases is you can be super trendy with them, and doesn't matter because hopefully you get a new phone every 10 years or something like that. Next thing, printed leggings. So many people commented this. I think equivalent is printed tights. I know the printed tights aren't for everyone yet, but I think we'll just start seeing more and more people wear them. I wore a pair of plaid ones last year for New Year's, and they were so cute. I got so many compliments on them, and like the Instagram picture literally blew up and everybody was obsessed with the tights. So cute. Will I feel indifferent about them in a couple years? Probably. It's like, it's a bold statement to be wearing. It's not like a white t-shirt where you're like, can't really go wrong. Yeah, the printed leggings are something, and the printed tights I think are right up there with it. Next thing, a lot of people were talking about shoulder pads. I was like, yeah, we haven't seen shoulder pads in so long. I was like, what would the equivalent be of a shoulder pad? And I was like, oh yeah, like a puff sleeve. And then I was thinking more about it. Literally like 2 years ago, for like, I swear 6 months, that muscle tee with the shoulder pads was so trendy, and everyone and their mother had it and was talking about where to find like the best muscle tee shoulder pad. If you guys watch Sarah Belle Elizabeth on either like YouTube or follow her on Instagram or whatever, I remember she was like the queen of these and had them all the time. And I think I saw a picture of her and I was like, oh yeah, those muscle tee shoulder pad tanks. I don't think anyone looks back at those and thinks like those are heinous, but I just like almost completely forgot about them. It's crazy how fast trends are moving right now. Just further proves none of the trends we have right now are timeless. And the last thing, this is just a goofy one. Everybody was talking about like mustache print everything, you know, back in like 2010. And mustaches, real mustaches are trending right now. Everybody has a mustache, so that's the same. I'm sure people will look back at their mustaches and think they're really ugly. I personally like them. When Brandon has a mustache, I think it's so cute, but I can't wait to look back and be like, ew, that was so ugly. Just make fun of him, and then he'll probably make fun of my hair or something. Just kidding. He's way too nice to me. He will never make fun of anything I do. Okay, but that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys aren't upset by this. It was just kind of like funny and a thing that started happening in my notes app, and I wanted to talk about it. Remember to check out Caseify. You can go to caseify.com/Lainey for 15% off your phone case. I'll have that linked in the description box. You guys already know they're my favorite. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.